I can't handle this diagram, I should just pretty much pack it in for the race car career. So
There's Tucci in the house, the #1 film guys in the business. Right there.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Chris, and we are back with another racetrack, not street type of video. And last week we had a stuttering problem and stuff like that. I think it's because of nitrous. This is the kit we have, so it's like some BS like universal kit. So I think what was happening is that it's so far away, we don't purge it, we don't heat up the bottle or anything, so there's a delay. I start spinning and then it starts bogging. It's just been an ongoing thing. So Nitrous Express has like this little box. It's a Maximizer EZ. It's like 130 bucks, and it's just a dial back there. It delays the timing and then it ramps it in. So super easy setup. I mean, we didn't have the original relay, an NX relay like this has, so we actually have to connect these wires to the wires that we already have and then plug it in. But I guess most like standard NX kits, not the universals, come with this relay, so all you gotta do is plug it in and unplug it from the original one and then plug it into the new one. But what we have, you know, I don't even think this relay came with it. I think we just put it in. Going rogue here. It's a rogue operation doing this in the middle of the day. But listen, if I can't handle this, meanwhile, there's a 25-2B chassis, full-blown race car that was built in a backyard, and I'm managing to help out and learn on that. If I can't handle this diagram, I should just pretty much pack it in for the race car career. So this is a junk relay that we have, and just stripping some wires and stuff to then connect it to this plug. So this will be like this, and this will plug it into the Maximizer. All right, so all the pieces of the Maximizer are in, and we just have to bring it up a little bit and test it. Alright, so we just tried it. The nitrous works. Now we're trying 2 seconds. Ready? Alright, so that's a plus. It works. Also, I didn't mention before is that it actually ramps it in. So before it was just as soon as the wide open throttle, it would be 100% nitrous as soon as it clicks down. But now it's actually starts at 20, goes to 100%, ramps it in, which there's no like adjustment to that because it's such a simple kit. But it works. So it'll delay it, and once it delays up, it'll ramp it in, so it won't just be automatically as soon as they hit the pedal. It's good. Which, listen, that might work at the track because the car's so slow it should have no problem hooking whatsoever. But at this racetrack, not street, it's pretty much like a bare road. All right, back on tech for the second day of racetrack, not street. Line is longer. It's sold out today, but all the tickets are universal, so you never really know how many people are going to be here today. All right, so we got here in pretty good time because they're already in the driver's meeting. Last time we were here, we waited like 2 hours for the driver's meeting. And there's not many, I guess, cars that were driven here, not trailered. So it's really not that bad. But the trail line is pretty far down. This is the first pass. We figured we'd make one on motor because I have no idea what it does at all. And then we'll try the Maximizer out. Anything to say?
No.
Just got nothing to say. So, pulling up for pass number 1. Just gonna make a all motor pass. Hopefully I can get every gear, it doesn't break up, and then we'll try out the Maximizer. Guy just wrecked.
And then Tom also with his ambulance down there as well.
Hope he's alright. That sucks. Breaking up again. Jesus, dude. Alright, so I guess I'll try to defend myself again for the 6th unsuccessful pass in this car. As soon as I went into second gear, it just, I don't know if it's spraying too much nitrous. We pretty much figured out that the kit we have sucks, obviously. But I had it on a 2-second ramp. I was spinning. I got out of it because what's the sense of spinning? It's just putting it in the wall. And then got back in it, put it into second, and then it just kept breaking up and I just let out. So we'll probably just make an all motor pass because this will be the 7th pass on the car, and if it's not successful, I'm going to be pretty upset. What do you think?
I think you're right.
So let's just try to get down the track without any issues this time. Pass number 3, probably the last pass, about 3 o'clock. Just drive straight home. Just gonna go all motor. We'll leave on the 2 steps, see what happens. I don't expect it to hook, but I would like to be able to just get down the track without a problem. But we'll see how it goes.
I'm a young shot caller, hit placer, bad bitch taker, AK slanging ass gangster, white flash nigga we don't hang 2-gun gang, twin Glocks nigga I'm flaming. Should've been a teacher how I get your white chalk.